Sarah processed insurance claims for 12 years. She'd seen it all. But after Hurricane Maria, something felt different. Legitimate claims were getting denied. Families living in homes with missing roofs. Elderly couples sleeping in cars, all rejected on technicalities. When she found the internal memo instructing adjusters to find reasons to delay and deny, she knew she had a choice. She could stay quiet and keep her job, or help the people who trusted her company. Sarah chose to leak the documents. She lost her job but gained something more valuable, her integrity, and a new career protecting consumers.